everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today I'm going to be showing you how I take my notes. I'm a visual learner, so having all these colours and diagrams just really helps me stay motivated and study well. Here is the paper I use. I use a refill pad of graph paper like this, and I keep it all organised in these pastel binders with some matching dividers here. This is the pen I use. I use a 0.35mm pen because I've got really tiny handwriting. And this is also a gel pen, and then I have a felt tip. This is a Papermate one that I use to make things stand out more because it's a little bit bolder. I also have a lot of different coloured gel pens, and I think all of the colours of mild liners. I love them so much because it's both a highlighter with a chisel tip, and then it's also a felt tip on the other end. And yeah, I just think they're so practical and they look really nice. I also have this folding ruler which snaps, a lot of post-it notes, and this little duck that's my rubber. Because I am that obsessed, I have made a colour chart of all the different mild liners, and I like to pair them up, making sure one's darker, one's lighter. However, normally I just use one and a corresponding colour of gel pen. Here are some ways I just do my titles. I try to keep it fairly simple. I don't go too over the top with them. I just like to make them stand out. And if you want more title header inspo, definitely head over to Pinterest because they have loads of ideas there. But yeah, as I said, I just like to keep it simple and quick so I can just focus on getting my notes down and learning things. So here's a little collection of the ones that I use most often. Now onto how I actually take my notes. I have a little system that I guess just works for me. You can try it too if you like, but I have 3 different types of bullet point, I guess. So a dot is like the main point that I'm going to be studying. The little arrows are the explanation of the point, and the arrows pointing down are just any extra little bits of information that you might want to add on that might not be completely relevant, but it can just help you understand part of the topic. I'm doing like a little sample here, a little example, not a sample, what am I talking about, of Orla. So she's a tortoise is the main point, the little arrows are additional points, and finally the bottom arrow is just a bit of extra information that you might not need, but it just helps tie it all together. I thought I'd give you guys a little example of how I just put this all together. I study chemistry and I'm currently revising for my mocks at the moment, so here is just a little bit of info on bonding and how I would tie all these little tips together. Just enjoy me writing things out, get some inspiration, you know, enjoy it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.